Will help you access the show sound effects in Capcut Mobile free tutorial. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. To access the show sound effects, you want to make sure that your video clip is deselected by clicking on the timeline and go to the bottom left hand screen and click the second option, audio. The audio, scroll to the right and to see the option sound effects. Sound effects, you want to scroll to the right. You see the option shows. Click one of the show sound effects. It will preview in Capcut Mobile. And once you're happy or satisfied with the show sound effect, click this icon. See, Capcut Mobile has added the show sound effect on the timeline. If you want to add multiple, go back and click sound effects and plus icon. See, Capcut Mobile has added multiple show sound effects. Is the before, is the after. Completely for free.